Bright Star Learning Hub. Hi children, today we will learn the sounds and names of animals. Come on kids, say this is a lion. Do you know lion makes a sound? Come on kids, say this is a lion. A lion makes a sound. Ooh, ah, 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 ah. Ooh, ah, 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 ah. Ooh, ah, 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 ah. Come on kids, say this is a dog. Do you know dog makes a sound?
Bow bow, bow bow, bow bow.
Come on kids, say this is a cat. Do you know cat makes a sound? Come on kids, say this is a donkey. Do you know donkey make a sound?
Hee-haw, 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 hee-haw.
Kids, say this is a cow. Do you know cow makes a sound?
Moo, moo, moo.
Come on kids, say this is a horse. Do you know horse makes a sound?
Neigh, neigh, neigh.
Come on kids, say this is a tiger. Do you know tiger makes a sound? Come on kids, say this is a goat. Do you know goat makes a sound? Meh, 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 meh. Come on kids, say this is a snake. Do you know snakes makes a sound?
Huss, huss, huss.
Come on kids, say this is a sheep. Do you know sheep makes a sound?
Bear, bear, bear.
Come on kids, say this is a pig. Do you know pig makes a sound?
Oink, 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 oink.
Come on kids, say this is an elephant. Do you know elephant makes a sound? Come on kids, say this is a rat. Do you know rats makes a sound?
Squeak, 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 squeak.
Come on kids, say this is a bear. Do you know bear makes a sound?
Growl, growl, growl.
Come on kids, say this is a Hippo. Do you know? Hippo makes a sound.
Honk, 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 honk.
Come on, kids. Say, this is a kangaroo. Do you know? Kangaroo makes a sound. Calls, 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 calls.